Hello students, this is your art and craft class. So we have here Satyaprakash sir.
Hello student.
And Minali ma'am.
Hello students.
And Ajabal sir also. Okay. So today we prepare a flower pot using some waste materials. So the things we needed here: plastic bottle, some foam sheets. Okay, these are the foam sheets. Scale for measurement, cutter, compass, scissor and glue. Okay, so let's get started. Take any empty bottle and okay, so take this bottle and now measure 11 centimeter from bottom to top. Okay, mark here 11 centimeter, length of 11 centimeter. Okay, so now mark around the bottle like this. Like this, taking measurement with the help of scale. Okay, now cut it with the help of cutter. Like this. So okay students, now we get this shape. Okay, so take your foam sheet and cover it with the help of glue gun. Okay, like this. Cover it with the help of glue gun. Okay, so I have already prepared this. Okay, I covered the bottle part with the glue with the foam sheet. Okay, now you cut the bottom part also from this foam sheet. Okay, cut the bottom part with the help of foam sheet. Now take the foam sheet and cut the piece of. Okay, now cut the circles shape of 6 diameter and 3.5 diameter from both sheets. Okay, like this. This is 6 diameter, 6 centimeter diameter, and its diameter is 3.5 diameter, the small piece. Okay, so cut the pieces according the measurement. Okay, otherwise you don't get the shape. Okay, so paste it, the small one, on the bigger one. Okay, now like this, with the help of any glue or glue gun as thing you have. Okay, like this. Now paste it like this. Okay, paste it like this with the help of glue gun. Like this. Okay, this is your final shape. I have already prepared all the parts. Okay, all the pieces. Okay, so now we get the pieces shaped like this. Prepared all the parts and paste this shape on this one with the help of glue or glue gun. Okay, so now I am pasting here. Put some glue on it and paste on it like this. Okay, like this. So paste all the pieces with the help of glue around this bottle. Okay, around this bottle. Now paste. Okay students, now the next step is to cut this shape piece from the foam sheet. Okay, its diameter is 10.5 centimeter. Cut firstly on the paper so you can get the right part. Okay, right shape and in right manner. So after that, mark with the help of marker like this. And cut it with the help of scissor. Okay, now you get this part and fold it in cone shape, like this. Okay, you get the shape of cone. Okay, now paste the ends with the help of glue or glue gun. Join the ends and paste it with the glue. Okay, now place it on the, I have already prepared this flower pot, so now put it on the bottle part जो आपने प्रिपेयर किया उसके ऊपर आपने प्लेस करना है इसको एंड कट द बॉटम पार्ट. सो अगर आप कोई फ्लावर स्टिक इसके अंदर पुट करते हो तो वो इजीली इसके अंदर एग्जिस्ट हो जाए. इसके लिए जो बॉटम पार्ट है उसको थोड़ा सा आप कट कर देना नीचे से. ओके, मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. जैसे हम इतना पार्ट जो है नीचे से वो सीजर की हेल्प से कट कर देंगे पेस्टिंग के बाद. तो उसके बाद में ये बॉटल के ऊपर इजीली जो है इसको ग्लू की हेल्प से आप पेस्ट कर देना. ठीक है, तो ये ऐसे जैसे देखो ये मैंने जो पेस्ट किया हुआ है वैसे ही आपका भी बिल्कुल प्रॉपर मैनर में यहाँ पे पेस्ट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो उसके बाद में जब ये आप सारा फिनिश कर लोगे उसके बाद में आपने मैंने स्ट्रिप्स की हेल्प से जो है इसको डेकोरेट किया है. सम फ्लावर्स जैसे मैंने फ्लावर्स वगैरह लगाए हैं. तो आप भी अपनी डिज़ायर के अकॉर्डिंग जैसे आपके रिक्वायरमेंट्स है जैसे आपको अच्छा लगता है इसको जितना भी आप डेकोरेट कर सकते हो विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम पर्ल्स और सम बीड्स. ठीक है, तो वो आप इसको डेकोरेट कर सकते हो. सो दिस योर फाइनल लुक ऑफ फ्लावर पॉट. ओके.